it's 𝙁𝙤𝙗𝙣𝙖.
As a real estate professional, I see many sellers make the same mistake when it comes to pricing their property. It can be a costly mistake. Hi, I'm 𝙁𝙤𝙗𝙗𝙣𝙗 with eXp Realty. Here are some of the common mistakes sellers make when pricing their home to go on market. Overpricing. The biggest mistake that sellers make is thinking that their property is worth more than it actually is. Overpricing can be due to emotional attachment or a lack of market knowledge. Overpricing your property can lead to long periods on market, lower offers, and missed opportunities to sell. Another is ignoring market conditions. Real estate markets are constantly changing, so that's why it's important to know what's happening in your local area. I also see sellers not considering their competition. Take a look at what surrounding properties in your neighborhood are selling for. Be sure to look at the condition, upgrades, age, lot size, views, and the like. This will give you a good idea of what buyers are willing to pay for a property like yours, not factoring in necessary repairs. If your property needs repairs and upgrades, it's important to factor that into your asking price. Buyers will expect a lower price if they know they have to make repairs after they move in. Bottom line, the key to successfully pricing is being well informed of the market area and the conditions and understand the competition to avoid costly mistakes. Connect with my team and I so we can give you a complete analysis of the market and your home value. I'm 𝙁𝙤𝙗𝙗𝙗𝙗 with eXp Realty, your real estate solutions expert.